What should I say?
I don't know.
This is my first impressions video. See what I did there? Well, I've never done this sort of video before, but today we will join the YouTube craze, and
We did actually already.
yes, we did with Mojave.
Yes.
Um,
But let's milk the idea even more.
yes, that's what we do. So what
What-
am I impressed?
What are you hopefully impressed about? It's this phone that everybody's raving about. Well, not
iPhone
really.
X.
iPhone X. 10.
10.
Yes. Go.
Alright, so now it's unlocked, and
And
now
now just swipe up.
zum Öffnen nach oben streichen.
Yeah.
Good,
There
now
you
I'm
go.
inside. Alright, so here
This
is the...
iPhone X.
I mean, I've used it on some occasions
Yeah.
in the store, so this is not my fully first impressions, but yeah, this is the iPhone 10.
iPhone 10.
Yeah, I use on a daily basis iPhone SE, and I can say it is just so huge.
Huge, right?
It is gigantic.
Yeah, like it has the 6 form factor, but
How
still
many inches is this?
5,8.
So I know because the phone is the same size as a lot of my friends have the iPhone 6s,
But actually it is
the
now.
iPhone 6.
It's slightly bigger, funny enough.
But I don't see it. I think it looks the same
exactly the
almost.
same, yeah.
But just that the bezels are gone. The screen is just so huge.
Huge. Yeah.
So
I would suggest when we already talk about the screen, how about you load up a video so you
I load up a video.
That will give it camera.
1080p.
Yeah, that would be not too bad.
Wow. Holy shit.
See, I told you.
That is one nice screen.
It's incredible what colors come out of this display.
Oh my god, yes, the screen is definitely good. And I don't see how would anybody argue this is a bad
Yeah,
screen?
I mean, I was really impressed by that.
Holy shit! That's OLED, right?
Yeah, OLED. That's why I'm kind of raving for OLED now.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, it's incredible.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Yeah. Right. And what do you say about the speaker?
It's good.
Yeah.
It's definitely a nice speaker.
I'm just waiting for that copyright strike.
It sure is the best speaker I've heard in a phone. What kind of disturbs me is this notch. I think you're getting used to
Yeah,
it.
you're getting used to it. I mean, what you could do on YouTube is this.
Alright.
Right, then it feels like a normal
Now it's
iPhone, right?
cropped here.
And if you don't want, then you can go full on.
Alright, all I do is this.
Yeah.
Alright.
I don't know, I just always pull it full.
Does it have the force touch?
Yes, it has.
I can't do anything here.
No, on YouTube doesn't have anything.
How do I
No,
get
this
back?
now you have to swipe like this.
Yeah, now it's like
And
that.
then you just... Yeah.
Alright, okay, so that's the force touch. Do you also think that they're not doing anything with their force touch?
I think they're gonna kill it some way or
I mean,
another because...
what should we do with it?
Nothing.
Anyway,
Yeah, you know, if you swipe up
yes,
like this...
I know
yeah.
that. Yes, so here you can turn it. Oh, look at that! It's halfway and it's still pretty bright.
Yeah, the good thing is in the
Yes.
sunlight you can see everything. That's
Yeah,
really
so
good.
when you turn it all the way up, it's really bright. I
Yeah.
mean, this is wow,
Wow, yeah.
rare, very bright,
Rare, yeah.
incredible. All right, so that's a good point. The screen is definitely insane. I mean, one honest thing I have is I think it looks shit.
You mean the notch? Or?
Yes,
Yeah.
that's my personal opinion. I think
Right.
I don't like that.
Okay.
I mean, I'm not saying it's bad or anything. It's just really not my design taste. But I think they're all gonna go this route.
Yeah, they will.
I'm curious what we will see in the IFA.
Yeah, sure.
I think a lot of manufacturers make these notches.
I think it's just because it isn't possible anyway, other way.
Yeah,
Like
probably. I mean, why not just make a little bezel here? I mean,
Yeah.
what does this matter? I mean, I
Yeah,
don't
you know.
But anyway, at least it's all integrated nicely.
Yeah.
Here, the battery and the Wi-Fi and
Yeah,
the
the
signal.
good thing is what I can say is the battery life is really damn good. Like it
The
lasts,
battery life is good.
I can last easily over, I think, 1.5 days.
All right. So, do you have percentage? Possible?
Yes, the thing that this is the one thing that annoys me. You have to pull down to see that because
okay.
it just the place-wise doesn't work.
Okay, but I think that's one thing you're getting used to.
It's not that.
This is why, like, one of those things you complain at first, but in fact, in
Yeah,
a couple of
sure.
days use, you don't care anymore.
Yep.
Hey, it's optimized for it.
10.6.
Run the processor.
Yeah,
okay, we're
wow.
gonna. Wow, it's when you get to 2 gigahertz.
I never looked at it. 2.76 gigabytes. Oh, so 3 gigabytes of memory.
2 gigahertz, 202. I think it's a quad core, right?
Can the camera show? Yeah, there we go.
Is it a quad core or is it a dual core?
No, quad core.
Quad, right? Yeah.
Should not take that long.
It's very fast. Okay.
Jesus.
Holy shit! 10,394. That's better than some computers I
Yeah,
have.
that's the crazy thing about
It's
it.
incredible. Yes. So it's an iPhone 10.6. All right. It's really called iPhone 10 internally.
Yeah.
Kind of cool. It's only like the old Mac guys who care about stuff like that. But anyway. Yes, this... I want to ask you, how did you get into the multitasking?
Yeah, there's a little trick actually.
Like one of those, right?
No.
No.
Wait, you either wait
Oh, wait, okay.
because it vibrates, or you just...
Alright.
This is like a little trick.
Like
If you
that.
Yeah, and then it happens immediately, which is quite nice.
You know, I honestly have to say, at first thought, oh, this button is... You're gonna miss the button.
No,
but
it's actually fine, to be
But
honest.
from what I'm using it right now, I think especially it's more the multitasking when you do just this rather than double tap.
And then
You know what I mean?
Yeah, and then there's another good thing, because right now with iOS 11 you have to like press.
iOS 11.
11, I mean, of course. You
Yes.
had to hold and then minus, like on the iPhone 4.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and iOS 12 fixes this shit. You just
So
pull
you
out.
have to. This is iOS 12.
This iOS 12.
Yes, right. You told me.
Beta 11.
So you have to like in the good old days of iOS 5 and 6 and 4. You have
But
to,
Apple
like,
realized that was kind of shit.
that was shit. I hated that. I hate this top part. I think it really looks utterly shit in my opinion.
Okay, yeah.
But this is awesome. I really like this.
That's nice, I know. That's the thing that Apple does good.
You just do this, and you're in the next step.
Yeah, right.
And you do this. Oh yeah, just don't.
I mean, what I'm interested in, does this annoy you? This small thing
not
here.
at all.
Not at
Why
all.
should it annoy me?
Some people hate it.
I mean, you need to kind of have an idea of where to pull. You know what I mean?
I think it will just disappear in later versions because you then know it.
Then you know it. Or maybe they should an option to make it either
Smaller.
visible or not.
Or
You know?
it's just smaller. I mean, why not?
Yeah, just a little. But I think it doesn't
It's
really
fine.
annoy me.
And then there's this one thing, though, that some companies do is just annoying.
Facebook?
No, you have so much screen and then you do this shit.
Oh come on,
You
Mark
just
Zuckerberg.
look, you just enlarge the like.
It just makes it larger, but nothing else, right?
Yes. It's, but even Apple does that. I
They
think.
will fix that.
Does
though.
Apple do that?
Once this caught on.
Yeah, I think it's just getting used to it. I mean, first of all, the front camera, because now it's 1080, right?
All right. That's
7
you.
megapixel.
That's the front.
Yeah, that's front.
Man,
See, I even thought
that is the front
Yes,
camera.
that's the front camera.
How
They
many
actually
matter?
improved it quite a bit.
Yes, because if you would show me this and say it's the back camera of like any iPhone, I would
believe it?
definitely say
Yeah,
yes. I mean, I'm a total expert, of course.
Yeah, of course.
Um,
So am I, right?
so you
Yeah.
do just this, and you're in the next step.
You don't even have to like pull it up. You just like you
only
just swipe.
Oh, you just swipe. You do
Yeah.
this.
Yes, that's all you have
That
to
is
do.
pretty
That's really
handy.
nice. Also, another thing, you have no home button. How do you turn the device off? Let's see how you figure that out.
How you turn it off? I think you hold it
No.
here.
No, doesn't
Here,
work.
Here. You hold it.
You
here.
can hold it here. Just hold it there.
Wait.
You hold the button and see what happens. Siri comes.
And what? How do you turn it
Yes.
off? I can't even turn off this phone.
No, there we go. So
How
you
do you
hold
do it?
volume up and this one.
Alright.
And
Oh
if
my
you-
god, that is probably such a big problem to a lot of YouTube reviewers, I think, huh?
Yeah. The good thing is with the two lens you can zoom digitally even more. So what you could do?
Alright, that is an optical zoom.
Yeah, that's optical, so the quality doesn't get less. And it's the same 12 megapixel cam, so it's quite nice.
Wow, it's looking... Yeah, you definitely see it's an optical zoom,
Yeah.
because if you do that, like on mine, it's getting all blurry.
You want to look funny, you will get some emojis now, mate.
Oh, yes.
This will be on the internet
I
forever now.
totally had to do that. Alright, I go with the South Shadle.
Of course, go with social, mate.
Oh my god! Holy shit! It works pretty good.
Yeah, it's not
Look at that. Why are my ears moving?
no idea. It's really precise, it's quite...
Oh yeah?
No.
Alright, now it's interfering,
Yeah,
yes.
obviously, yeah.
Obviously. But like this, man.
Can you like stick your tongue? I'm not sure if this...
Yes,
it actually works.
I mean, this is 2018, you know, they have to make this.
Yeah, obviously.
But you know what I find kind of awkward is that they introduced this as like a big feature in the keynote. That was very. I mean, Apple is a professional company, and then they do this. But I wouldn't call this useful.
Yeah, they just wanted to like maybe entice the teens.
You know what I would find cool is if they would use this technology for anything actually.
They will probably.
They will, yes.
But not now.
Because this is, I mean,
yeah, it's fun. It's just
fun.
Mess around.
Fun,
yeah.
yes. Wow. Well, my conclusion is it's a very nice phone, and I would expect that for this price.
Oh yes.
How much would this cost from
1,200.
1,200. That is a lot for a phone. I would never pay so much for a phone.
Same.
But with the contract and stuff, he got it
fine,
for a lot less, and I think for the money you paid for it is really a nice deal.
Completely. And the thing is, it feels like a bigger upgrade, if you understand what I mean, because it looks different, you know?
Yes, it
like
looks
with the
different.
6 from the 6S, it looks exactly the same.
It's the same, yes,
With
sure.
this, you notice it.
So I can also notice it's pretty fast.
Yeah.
But
design-wise,
I would expect.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes.
And design-wise, I have to say, I love, because that's stainless steel right there, I love it, the black stainless steel, it looks really nice.
Yeah, they're looking pretty good. Like back under here.
That really looks...
Some would say it looks like polished plastic, but knowing that it is not, it's nice. Like my only gripe I have with this is actually the design. I think it doesn't look good, but that of course doesn't mean that the user experience is bad.
No, not at all.
And the camera is pretty crazy good for a phone.
Yeah, 4K 60, right?
Yes, I mean, what has the world gotten into?
Yeah, and even camcorders sometimes don't have that. Because
4K 60 frames.
Because the file size is that crazy then.
Yeah, but so this is the how much model? The
64.
64 gig.
That's the only shit thing in my opinion. 64. Why eliminate 128 gigs? Why?
Because that would have been the perfect size.
Yeah, yes.
They did that back then. You remember they had the 16, the 32, and the 64, and they
eliminated 32.
They killed the 32.
They know exactly what they're doing, right?
But they kind of got back to it with the SE, at least mine. Well, anyway, this is.
First impression's quite nice, right?
Yes, it's definitely a nice phone. It is lighter, yes. Yeah. I noticed that, but man, that's such a problem.
Oh, that's a problem.
You know what also is a problem?
What?
That I now have to do this to get out of the apps.
Horrible, yeah.
Man, I don't. I mean, I can see that maybe older people say, "Oh, where's the button?" I mean, I can see this.
Yeah.
But come on, any tech guy, anybody who says he knows stuff about technology, come on.
I mean,
is it really so hard?
It really doesn't matter. Yes.
No, because that's what they always complain about and whine about, that I have to swipe. Man, what has the world got into?
Yeah, really.
Anyway, I think it's a pretty good phone for what it, for what you got it for. It's definitely a killer deal.
Yeah, I agree.
And so, yeah.
So verdict is, don't buy it for full price, wait for a good deal.
Yes, sure, or maybe get when the new iPhone comes out.
Which is soon, actually.
So this is the iPhone X.
Yes, the first impressions.
iPhone X. For me, it is this. But I think for a lot of people, it's a pretty good phone.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that's it.
Yep.
And we'll see you later.
Mate.